Today I'm taking a look at this flexible welding clamp here. Now this thing is really cool because it's going to allow you to put different metals at different angles, and you may be in an unusual situation where you have to weld something at a real weird angle but can't really hold it. That's where this comes in. It does have a set screw right here that you can loosen up and tighten to allow you to move this easier, and then once you get it where you want it, you can clamp this up. So for example, let's say I had to weld something very strange angle like this. I could put my two pieces of metal in here, bring them up tight, clamp it with the clamps here so it's not going to move, and then I can go ahead and make sure I tighten this up so nothing moves. And once that's tightened up and I got the angle I want, I can then go ahead and weld this piece right here, and on the outside, of course, this is just thrown in there, but you'd be able to hold this exactly where you need it. And the good thing about it is you really can just hold unusual shapes. This is almost like a 45 right now, but you could loosen this right up like so. And then let's say I needed these to meet way out further like this. We can do that as well. Clamp this down, bring those where they need to be. This is where it really comes in handy when you're having unusual angles like this. And then you can see I could weld that there, and then of course be able to weld it on the inside here. But trying to hold stuff like this without a set of clamps like this would be very difficult. And I think if you bolt these down too, they do have a couple holes here. You could probably bolt these to a bench or something, one of them, and move the other one around however you want. But definitely a very handy clamping mechanism for doing welding, because to try to hold something in these weird positions like this can be extremely difficult. But these clamps like this will make it super easy. Now this company was nice enough to send these out to me to kind of show you what they are and a little bit about them. I'm very happy with them. I do quite a bit of welding, and sometimes I do have to weld something at a weird angle. Maybe this is clamped onto a vehicle and you're trying to bring a piece of metal up to it, then you can do that. So many uses for this. Very versatile tool. Not something you use every day, but boy, if you do a lot of welding, this is something that's going to come in extremely handy, especially if you're trying to hold stuff at unusual angles. I mean, you can even do 90s and 45s and basic stuff as well, which this would be super helpful for. But when you get into funky angles and stuff, this is definitely a game changer for sure. Now, like I said, these guys are nice enough to send these out to me and give me an opportunity to check them out and see what I thought of them. And I really like them. And I hope this video helps you out. I appreciate the fact that they were willing to do that, and I want to thank them for it. And maybe this will help you see what they can do, and you can determine whether or not these are right for you. But I give them 2 thumbs up for sure. If you do any kind of welding, I highly recommend these.